Hey everyone, Mark here with M&S Outdoor Living. If you've been following our recent projects, you've already seen us install the new patio tile and fresh water line tile around this pool and spa. Today, we are taking it one step further by resurfacing the exterior stucco housing to bring the whole area back to life. We started by masking everything off with plastic and tape so we could create a crisp, clean line. That prep work makes all the difference when you're applying high-strength stucco mix like this one. It's mold and mildew resistant, and we modify it with an acrylic bonding agent so it grabs tight and stays durable in this Florida climate. Once the surface is ready, we apply the new mortar stucco in smooth, even passes to rebuild strength, refresh the look, and tie the entire spa structure into the new tile work we've already completed. Whether you're working on a brand new build or if you've got an older structure that needs some love, we're booking up for the season, but we still have openings available. Reach out to M&S Outdoor Living. Built to last, designed for living. Call or text 774-708-5865 or visit us at www.msoutdoorliving.solutions. Thank you for watching.